If you've forgotten your Razorpay password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Razorpay login page. Go to the official Razorpay website and click on the login option. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the Razorpay link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your registered email. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Razorpay account. Type in your email and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from Razorpay. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your Razorpay account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Razorpay support for assistance.